What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and this is iOS 13 Beta 1 running on the 2018 iPad Pro 12.9 inch. Now, this video is just a quick look of iOS 13. I just downloaded this about a few hours ago. I've been playing around with the device. I'm not going to go into details, like too much details of what new or all the other features. But as for now, I just downloaded this and I just wanted to share this with my viewers on YouTube. First thing I noticed is that the volume indicator has changed a little bit. There it is right there. Now, if I zoom in a little bit closer, you can actually see it a little more. And I think that's a pretty neat little feature, a little change. I apologize if the audio quality isn't that great. I'm actually outside doing the voiceover for this video, but everything is pretty much the same. Well, not everything's the same, but just to show you guys, this is iOS 13. There it is right there, version 13.0. This is the 2018 iPad Pro. It's obvious. One of the main features or changes that I've patiently been waiting for is iOS 13 dark mode. And ladies and gentlemen, here it is. And to be honest, I believe this dark mode is better than anything that I've seen on any other phones, other than the OnePlus 60, OnePlus 7. This is really good. Apple is basically not the first or the best to come up with new changes or features on their devices, but when they do, they actually do it very well, a lot better than the competition. And this is done very well. There are some subtle little tweaks here and there in the settings, the layouts of the menu, and also at the top you now have like a little search bar at the top of the settings. Another new feature that we have in iOS 13 is mouse support. You can now connect a Bluetooth mouse and use it with your iPad Pro. Most of the system apps now have dark mode support: Apple Music, iTunes, the App Store, FaceTime, Calendar, Photo, YouTube, and etc. Another new feature that I forgot to mention is that if you pull down on the notification panel and hold down on the brightness level, you now have the option to switch between light and dark mode, night shift on and off, and True Tone display on and off. I plugged in the SD card reader that I have, but for some reason it wasn't able to read it. Maybe it was just the ones that I have, but I'm going to buy another SD card reader and see if this actually supported. You can also zip and unzip files in the files browser. I like the fact that Apple is now becoming a little consumer friendly, but there's still a lot of limitations. Like, in order for you to zip and unzip files, you have to connect that drive onto your iPad and then go into the browser, the file browser, and then unzip that file and then be able to play it. But regardless of not, this is actually big for Apple. Another new feature is the slide over view, which is basically multitasking. This was on the previous version, iOS 12. Now it's on here, and all you basically are now able to add more apps on the side and swipe in between apps while you're browsing the web or whatever it is that you're doing on the web. So that's basically all I can think of right now so far, because I'm still going through this. I'm still learning all the new features and stuff that's been added to iOS 13, but I'm gonna stop right here. If you guys are interested in getting iOS 13 on your iPad or your iPhone as well, if I get enough requests for it in the comment section of this video, I'll make a video on how I was able to get through with this. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Peace out.